I bet you didn't know your alternator does more than just charge your battery. Without it, your car won't run for long. Here's how to handle it when things go wrong. First, let's spot the signs. If your battery warning light's on, headlights are dim, or you hear strange noises under the hood, those are classic alternator red flags. Step 1, pop the hood and check your battery connections. Loose or corroded cables can look like alternator issues. Tighten them up, clean any gunk, and see if the problem goes away. Next, listen for odd sounds from the alternator itself, like grinding or whining. That could mean bearing or internal failure. Step 2, test your battery voltage with a multimeter. With the engine off, it should read about 12.6 volts. Start the engine. If it doesn't jump to around 14 volts, your alternator isn't charging. Step 3, check the serpentine belt. If it's loose, cracked, or missing, the alternator can't spin. If everything looks normal and you're still having issues, your alternator likely needs repair or replacing. Don't try to drive far on battery power alone. You could get stranded. Take your Sentra to a mechanic, or, if you're handy, swap out the alternator yourself. Remember, safety first, and always disconnect that battery. Now you know what to do when your Sentra's alternator lets you down. Stay prepared and keep your ride running strong.